Airports can be chaotic. You rush through long security lines, your boarding pass won't scan, or a simple delay throws your whole trip off. But what if traveling could be smooth, easy, and stress-free? In this video, you're going to learn 10 powerful airport tips and tricks that seasoned travelers use every time they fly. These simple actions will save you time, money, and frustration, no matter where you're traveling. So let's get started. The first tip is to register for expedited screening if you can. Programs like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry in the United States make a huge difference. You don't have to remove shoes, liquids, or laptops, and the security line is usually 10 minutes or less. If you fly often or travel internationally, this can save you from missing flights and wasting time in long lines. The second tip is to use your Airlines app and check in online. Almost every airline now allows you to check in, choose your seat, and download your mobile boarding pass before you even get to the airport. If you're traveling with only a carry-on, this lets you bypass the check-in counter completely and go straight to security. The app also alerts you instantly about gate changes and delays, so you're never caught off guard. Tip number 3 is to pack your carry-on smartly. Put essentials like your water bottle, medications, snacks, chargers, and electronics where you can reach them. Keep liquids and laptops at the top so you can take them out quickly during screening. For long flights, pack small items that make the journey comfortable, like a toothbrush, wipes, a travel pillow, an eye mask, and a pen for immigration forms. The fourth tip is to download your entertainment before you leave home. Airport Wi-Fi can be slow, and airplane Wi-Fi is often unreliable. Download podcasts, audiobooks, or playlists ahead of time so you always have something to enjoy. And don't forget to bring a power bank because charging outlets aren't always available in terminals or planes. Tip number 5 is to dress comfortably. Wear light, breathable layers so you can adjust to different temperatures. Avoid belts, heavy jewelry, or complicated shoes that slow you down at security. Slip-on shoes are perfect because you can remove them quickly if needed. If you're flying a long distance, consider wearing glasses instead of contact lenses, since airplane air can dry your eyes. The sixth tip is to keep your important documents accessible. Don't bury your passport or boarding pass deep inside your bag. You'll be asked for them multiple times, so keep them in a front pocket, travel pouch, or digital wallet on your phone. The seventh tip is to skip checked baggage whenever possible. Traveling with only a carry-on saves you from long check-in lines, baggage fees, and waiting at the carousel after your flight. If you must check a bag, try to arrive early and give your suitcase a unique tag or marker, so it's easy to spot when it arrives. Tip number 8 is to bring a reusable water bottle. Carry it empty through security and fill it up at a water station afterward. Buying bottled water at the airport is expensive, and staying hydrated makes a big difference when you travel. A reusable bottle saves money and reduces waste. Tip 9 is to give yourself enough time, but not too much. As a general rule, arrive 2 hours before domestic flights and 3 hours before international flights. But think in terms of boarding time, not departure time. Remember to consider traffic, airport size, and whether you're checking baggage. A little extra time can be the difference between calm travel and a stressful sprint to the gate. The 10th tip is to consider airport lounges. You don't need to be a premium traveler to use one. Many lounges allow you to buy a day pass or access them with certain credit cards. Lounges offer comfortable seating, high-speed Wi-Fi, food, drinks, and sometimes even showers. They're especially helpful if you have a long layover or delay. As a bonus tip, think about your backup plans. Travel insurance can help if your luggage gets lost or your flight is canceled. Keep digital copies of important documents like your passport and having a travel credit card, just for emergencies, is a smart move when you're in another country. Let's quickly recap the top 5 must-use tips. Check in online and use your mobile boarding pass. Pack your carry-on smartly with essentials on top. Dress comfortably and wear easy-to-remove shoes. Arrive at the airport early enough to avoid stress. And if you have a long layover, consider an airport lounge for comfort and convenience. These simple tips can turn airport chaos into a smooth and enjoyable experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And in the comments, tell me your worst airport experience and which tip you wish you knew earlier. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.